Today it was a very joyous day in the forest. The tailor bird had made its new nest. Many birds came to see it. They were all very happy and played a game. They told about themselves in the form of a song. The cuckoo was hiding itself behind the leaves. At first, they asked her to sing about herself. She said in her sweet voice,
I am Cuckoo, black like crow, sitting on the tree mango. My song is melodious and sweet. For everyone's ears, it is a treat. I am Cuckoo, black like crow, sitting on the tree mango. My song is melodious and sweet. For everyone's ears, it is a treat.
the parrot was busy and eating chilies. At Peacock's request, he sang about himself.
My father's green, red rose beak. Chilies I eat, but sweet I speak. Mithu, mostly people call me. With churi, they love and treat me.
The next was Peacock. He spread all his beautiful feathers and said,
Beautiful walk, beautiful feathers. I am peacock, fond of rainy weather. With dark clouds, I get chance to make you happy with my dance. Beautiful walk, beautiful feathers. I am peacock, fond of rainy weather. With dark clouds, I get chance to make you happy with my dance.
The crow was very eager. He spoke in self praise.
I am crow, caw caw I speak. I fly over plains and mountain peak. I have high speed and very sharp eye. You cannot catch me even if you try.
Cock said in self praise.
I am cock with royal crest on the head. I crow in the morning, wake up all smiling. I convey no more rest, work instead.
Everybody was happy. What the vulture was sad. He spoke in sorrow.
Friends, I am vulture. A word distinct. Men have made us now extinct. I clean the earth of foul smell. In all weathers, hot or chill.
All the words came to cheer the vulture.